Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing Convolvulus. As you can see, it's a hardy annual, and I'm growing these for my hanging baskets. I noticed them when I was shopping the other day. I thought they look absolutely stunning. So first of all, like we normally do, compost. This is peat based. It's got 6 weeks worth of fertiliser in it, so first 6 weeks you don't need to feed. So it's a peat-based compost with wood fibre. It's a nice airy mix. So first of all, get your compost in there. Your piece of wood, your block, just get a gentle tap down, like so, nice and flat. Then get into the seeds. So I've got 100 seeds here, so I don't think I'll be sowing all them. Half should do me. I've got that many plants I'm growing this year that it's getting a bit ridiculous. So I've never seen these before, so your guess is as good as mine what they look like. Have a little look. Oh, they're nice. There we go. Nice big seeds. You want to spread it out nice and evenly, like so. Don't want to leave any gaps. Just dropped a few, excuse me. Get that. And that. Right, so I want half a centimetre of compost over them. So just gently, this is compost I microwaved earlier, just to kill any bacteria, stop any rot when they're growing. So let's gently cover them. And then all you do is, in the sink, with some water, like so, and then on the windowsill with the top on, and then the name tag. So any questions, don't hesitate to ask. So that's growing Convolvulus from seed. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.